stream pause, Nimkins.
Oh, do I have to go to the charts?
Yeah.
I was just on the thing. I have to stay on the charts? All right. Okay.
Yeah, no, you have to stay on the charts because unfortunately my charts aren't showing today. So,
Okay.
good morning, all.
Morning, everyone.
We're having technical difficulties with OBS. For some reason, it's not showing my charts at all in OBS, and I've tried everything that I can. So we will be showing only Nimkins charts today.
Yay.
For those of you that are curious about my levels, I have a level on the NQ at 20,710 to 20,730. Above there, I've got 20,780 to 800. Above 800, I'm assuming we probably see all-time highs up around 21K. I'll be waiting for pullbacks, Nimkins, to look for longs. It's going to be really hard for me to long the top of this after the pump from the election last night.
That was the same. I made a trading plan and said that ideally I'd be looking for somewhere around this level, like 580, 570. I might have to move this box up a little bit more, but ideally a pullback into here looking for long. If it keeps coming down and it comes below 500, then I will change my bias for the day.
Okay.
I mean, if we go that far down after the pump up, then obviously, like, I've got to go and change my bias for only looking for longs.
Is your chat working on your end, Nimkins?
I just see Ollie, one message from Ollie. Stream didn't show up on my feed. That's it. Let me type. Maybe I told you. Maybe no one's here today. No one wanted to trade because of the election.
Yeah, it's possible.
Can you see my message?
I can see your message. Chat's just dead.
Yeah. No one's here. No one's here. DJP's digging himself out of a hole somewhere.
It says we've got. Hey Mason, we got work to do after the stream, brother. OBS is all jacked up for some reason.
Mason, what have you done?
I can't even show my charts. Like, they aren't showing up on any source. See, whether I do a window capture, it's nothing that I've done. I haven't done a thing.
It's all your fault, Mason.
Haven't touched the two people scene that we've got going on. So yeah.
Too much time creating prison cells, not enough time working on his OBS.
But yeah, like I have to stay on Nimkins charts. It won't even show mine at all. There's nothing I can do. Absolutely nothing I can do. So, guys, as you saw yesterday, I passed yet another combine. So I've got 2 in waiting. So I will be trading XFAs today. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see my trades if I do take a trade. I'm going to be waiting for a pullback long, Nimkins. I'm not sure about you.
Yeah, I mean, I gave my plan. I put it in the trading plans what I'm looking for. This area, this zone that we're in at the moment, I really don't want to operate at. Even though it is my box or my area, I just feel it could be a lot of chop and noise here. I'd rather be looking more to the downside down here for longs.
You really like those 50s levels, don't you?
What's wrong? There's no 50 level here. It's 80 to 60.
It's 80 to 60?
Yeah, it's 80 to 60.
All right.
Yeah, down here it's 580 to 560. There's no golden levels here.
Okay.
It is showcase time until other people join and then it's trading with the boys. Once DJP gets out of his hole, he'll be sitting there in the waiting room.
Yeah, I mean, I can't even see the waiting room right now, so.
What's your thoughts? What, we're going to open in 15 seconds? I feel we're just going to go and rip and fly.
I hope not. I really want to see the pullback. It's going to be really hard for me to long the top of this. I'll be looking at that 700 area. Like, well, my level's 710 to 730. I'll be watching that 700 level for rejections. I don't know that I'm going to hop on it. I don't know that I'm going to hop on a short today, though.
No. I mean, unless something catastrophic happens, then.
I mean, I do
But yeah,
expect some sort of retrace of the move from yesterday.
I don't.
At least I hope.
What did you call it yesterday? Is it Santa Claus time?
Santa Claus rally?
Yeah,
that's
Santa Claus rally.
That's usually end of November through December into the new year where that happens.
Okay, I thought it was after the election.
No. No.
Oh, well, maybe we get the pullback.
Morning, Jack. Morning, Martin. Morning, Ollie. Morning, Ahmed. Morning, Abu. Sorry I didn't get a trading plan written for you guys this morning. I've been a little busy.
All right, the option number 3 that we've not considered.
We chop.
We chop here and do absolutely nothing.
Yeah. Is that? Yeah. All right, so
all
Nims,
the good action was overnight. Yeah.
how's your mental today?
It's been pretty good. It's been pretty good the last. I'm up like 30 points or something on my XFA. I caught a long down here. I missed it on the wick up and I caught it about 600 and I did take it off too early, around like 630, around about here. So I was just a bit spooked with the volatility and didn't want to just go and get like knocked out, so I thought I'd just lock in the 30 points. But mental's been good. I've got like a clean plan for today. I didn't precisely follow it because we got the pullback to the area that I wanted, but then it instantly got bought up and then I got in a bit late on it.
Oh man, that's a mistake. It's a
yeah,
mistake.
I mean it wasn't a bad long at 600 though. All right, here we go. All right, we've missed it, Wes.
No, we haven't missed a thing yet.
It's gone.
No, we have not missed a thing yet. Just be patient. Just be patient, Nims.
Dave, what trade are you in? You long? You're long from 700. You go and break even. Nah, he's not answered.
Oh, good morning, Dave. Quick 20 points there. Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. I knew it. Have you taken anything pre-market?
Nope.
Nothing.
Have nothing. I did catch a trade on the YM last night. A pretty good, nearly 300-point move.
Can you see my precision? I said 700. He was in 697. All right. Well, let's see what happens at 790 now. Because if we go through there, then I don't know what to do.
I'm gonna wait. I still want to see a pullback. The straight rip.
Yeah, no.
The straight rip I can't get on board with.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If we just fly through 790 and keep going, then what do we do?
I mean, if we're above 800, we're probably going to 21K.
That's what I mean. Yeah. My buy price is at 540. I doubt we ever get there. Yeah, mine was 560 was my buy price, Mason. But I think that's make-believe land at this stage.
I don't know. It's just gonna be volatile. I
know. It could come there, but at the moment it does look like a little fairy tale.
You just gotta be patient.
I will be. So, who are the Lions playing this weekend?
Oh, who are the Lions playing? The Texans. They're actually, I think they are.
Aren't they terrible?
No, the Texans are a good team. They're just injured. They're banged up right now. I want to say it's one of the primetime games, though. I can't remember if it's Monday Night Football or Sunday Night Football, but it's a late game.
That doesn't sound like fun. that's the stay up and watch the game and just get shit from my girlfriend for the next 2 days.
How we feeling today, chat? Looks like there's 17 of you in here.
Sell price is 21k 30. I mean, I wouldn't want to sell up there, Mason, but I can see that there could be a little bit of resistance up there.
I mean, it's kind of crazy. Last night the ES was ripping with the NQ kind of not at the time that it was that the ES was. Right now the NQ is ripping and the ES is not.
Yeah. Seen Trump media up, I don't know, last time I looked it was like 37%.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, and then I looked at the
Everything will come back
financial.
down.
No. My portfolio is looking happy today.
I'm sure it is. I'm sure everybody's.
Wait, can I
portfolio is.
check it? Can I check it quickly without like messing with the charts?
You can't mess with Discord at all.
No, I'm not going to mess. Can I flick off this screen for a second? It won't change it on your end. Let's see. Give me 2 seconds. Wait, that doesn't look right.
Morning, Gumby. Morning, Jack.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, guys, for those of you that are just tuning in, I can't show my charts today for some reason.
Don't worry, you have my charts. They're just as good, and they're on a better platform called Sierra Charts. Just silence.
Oh, do you want me to say
What?
something?
No. Just checking. Just checking you're still here. Sometimes your internet dies on you and you're gone.
No, that shouldn't be an issue anymore.
Did you get the super long cable?
Oh, Nimkins, here you go. Albie's saying your candles could be a bit bigger, Nimkins.
You happy now? Dave's long again. Okay. With 20 points from his entry, as per usual.
Well, I mean, granted that 20 points happened really quickly. So
Yeah. And his last message was, yes, patience is key. All right. What's my key level is 790.
Mason says, who is this guy? The guy in the thumbnail is who I wanted to see.
What is, I don't even know what I look like. I can't.
Did you actually send him a picture? Because I told him to use the catfish girl on the thumbnail, and I looked this morning, and it's like.
No, he asked me to send. He asked me to send him a selection of pictures. I sent him a selection of pictures, including the American Pie one as an option. Okay, and he picked his own one, so he chose that.
Absurd. In your members only jacket, standing in some scenic place on vacation.
That's what he chose. That's what he chose. I gave him the pie one. He didn't want to use it.
Dave, having already placed, I don't know how many trades you've placed already, but there was no patience involved in that that execution.
Okay. Well.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
At least my plan was right, and I said in the chat before I got on the stream that I'd be looking for a 660 long, which would have paid pretty good.
Yeah, you'd be up quite a bit right now.
Yep. But there was the technical difficulties. I mean, I blame Mason for this loss of money.
It really is annoying. Like it won't even pick up that monitor that my charts are on. Which is
I mean, I don't know if
strange because the other day when Palmetto was on, everything was fine, and we were on this exact same scene, and everything was fine. And I've done nothing, and it just does not show up. I even tried adding a different source, and it still will not pick up that monitor.
Why is it my fault?
Just does not show. Picks up all my other monitors, but does not pick up the monitor where my charts are.
It added some mystique and intrigue to the thumbnail. I mean, the viewer count says otherwise, Mason. I'm just going to put that out there. What are you thinking, Wes? You want to pull back now to 710 and a hold there? It's a long way to come back.
I mean, honestly, I'm just looking for break and retest hold above 800 at this point. I'm not playing the short side today.
No. I just meant for an entry for a pullback, but maybe
I want to pull back.
820, hold 790 for a long. Up to 820, come back, hold 790, go long.
I want it to be holding above 800. I don't even want to see 790 if that's the case.
Okay.
Yeah, what a ripper last night. I mean, it just pumped and pumped and pumped.
Yeah, I was checking my investments just a second ago. It is nuts what they've done. And assuming that, I guess if we get above this level, then can we hit all-time highs today? That's the question. Thoughts, chat? All-time highs today? Crickets.
Yeah, I mean the chat's quiet right now. So either
the chat's in a spooky long.
Either they're getting wrecked or
Yep.
I'm not sure what's happening. You know what I can do, Nims? Let's try something here. Let's try.
Are you gonna put your charts on?
I'm gonna try so that you don't feel.
Mason.
I can move my 5-minute chart over to this other monitor and try to.
I mean, there's no. I don't feel any pressure. Like, I'm happy. I'm just waiting for something which looks good. And have you seen anything which looks good so far?
No, I'm not buying tops.
No, we just went straight. We went straight up. I mean, we did what I said, that we just rip off, open up. So unless I just want to go on instinct of what I think is going to happen, then there's no trade to be taken.
All right.
Unless you're DJP, then there's like 40 opportunities that we've missed already.
Chat, things might go a little crazy here. Let me try something. Whoop. Yep, there it is. All right, let me resize this.
Okay.
We trying. Now you guys can kind of see what I go through here. And Mason's.
He makes out like it's a lot of work. It's not really.
I mean,
it's the concussions. It's the concussions. Just a little bit slow.
We're going through the adjusting. All right, Mason, I don't care about crops right now, okay? You're not going to get all nitpicky on me on a live stream.
Yeah, Mason, where were you in the setup? That's what we needed you most. You just appear in the chat and just giving comments.
And I have my phone nowhere near me, so if Mason's texting me, I have no idea if he's texting me or not. All right, now let's see what we got over here. On this source. Crickets. Wesley charts. This is funny. Yeah, see, it's showing. It's not showing, even though that source is selected as my primary monitor. It's not showing. All right.
Wait, we just got a black screen.
There's that.
Oh, we've just got the start. Okay. Well, that's working.
Yeah, except for it's not.
Oh, I've disappeared now. I like it.
Yeah, you have disappeared.
Okay, so I am just a chart now.
Dave, you're dedicating today's trading to Peanut? All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is...
Wait, that $300 and what you've made earlier, it sounds like you're up like 800 or a grand. That better be going straight to Peanut's Freedom Farm.
All right, we're just going to stick like this. So my charts are going to be up here in the upper left. Unfortunately, if I catch a banger trade, Mason, it's no good. We won't have any content. All right, we kind of rejected that 800.
Mm-hmm. So what are you thinking? 710 long here?
That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it to hold. I want lower. I'll be honest with you. I don't want.
Yeah, I would take the 660 again if we get offered it, but I'd really like down here. But again, I think that's fairy tale land. 680. Yeah, Martin, I don't mind 680. I'd rather it a bit lower because, like
480 maybe. Like a bit lower.
No, that's spooky.
I
Then
mean,
to go long.
I want something a lot deeper.
I want something where I can have 20 points of risk, and if it goes past the bottom of these wicks, then it's like invalidated. So that's 640. So 660, I kind of want.
$323.
That's probably where Kez minis are sitting, if you ask him. Yeah, minis sitting at 323.
Yeah, I want a deeper pullback.
Yeah, I'm with you. I mean, your 700 levels holding. Wickham reclaim.
Yeah, but I don't want it to. I don't want it to.
Oh, no, do it. We want some action. No. Hey, this is your perfect setup.
All right, Nims, have fun with the chat.
Wait, is it piss time for you?
Yep, I didn't get to. I haven't taken
God.
the morning bathroom break just yet. All right, I'll be right back.
All right, chat. I'm scared. I don't want to take a trade. It looks spooky. I mean, ideally, I'd want something like that, but it looks really heavy. $540 buy level incoming, 651. Yeah, see, I like all those levels. I mean, I don't really want to leave this limit order here because it could just go and fly through it. But like, this is ideally what I'm looking at, and then an invalidation if it comes below these wicks here. But I feel like I get wrecked. All right, it's too spooky. We're getting too close. Should have seen the GC in London. It was scary as hell. I mean, no, I'm too spooked. I'm too spooked. I can't do it. It's probably going to pay, isn't it? It never quite reached me. But yeah, that's like an instant 20 points off there. Ah. I'll wait. Are you just trying to fade me? Oh no, you're short near the top. I thought you were fading me again, Scott. I want to see what it does here. If it holds up, then I'll think about the long. But it's looking really heavy, so now I'll like wait for lower down.
All right, I'm back.
Yeah, we're getting that pullback. I'm really thinking about the 660 long, but it's just looking a bit heavy. What's your heat map saying?
The heat map is saying liquidity split on either side of current price. You got some blocks down around 660.
I guess
The
it does feel like the 660 long is the play, but
the largest blocks are to the north side, up around 800.
Yeah, I think I've missed it. I think it was the play, but it's gonna go now. I had a limit order there. I took it off. I got spooked. It came down, wicked up.
Of course, Dave's short now. My goodness. I don't know how he does it. I don't know how he doesn't have a heart attack at his desk.
Yeah, I mean, he's out.
That's just panic trading.
All right, let's see what he does here. I feel like if I waited for this, I feel it wants lower, but maybe this is the opportunity.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We're having a little technical difficulties today, so Nimkins' charts are going to be highlighted today. We're just going to keep my charts in the upper left. We'll get it all sorted for the next trader showcase. But this is what we got to roll with today. So this is the only scene that you're going to get. But it's all good.
All right. I'm long.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but I'm spooked. I'll leave it to the bottom of that wick and see what happens here.
What's up, Chase? Welcome. Yeah, guys, I apologize. I don't know what happened with OBS and all the settings. I had no idea.
Come on, let's get the push up. All right. Let's go. What's the target? Overnight highs? Am I being greedy? Am I being greedy here?
I mean, 690 to 700 is a possible rejection spot, so this I would probably move it to break even.
I'm out. I'm spooked. It wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. They had the rejection and things there. Look at it come down now. I think it was wise. It would have taken me out break even if I hadn't moved that to there. I already had it break even. So
I mean, that's good. What'd you get on that? 20 points?
15 points.
15 points.
There was more on it. I had a lot more. I had like 25, 30 points on it available to take, and then it just got rejected. And it's just a bit volatile at the moment. So I thought lock in rather than just get taken out break even. I really wanted it just to push up through that level and keep going. And when it didn't, I was like, I probably shouldn't be greedy on this with the way the market is. Well, I like my level here. It seems to be holding the 660.
Well, you guys can actually see my DOM over here now. It's really small on your screens, but you can see my DOM here.
Chart illegible. Oh, you can't read out. So my box levels are 670 to 650 is this one currently that we're in. Below it, I've got 580 to 5. Then above, I have 780 to 800. And if we hold above 790, 800, then just there is no box. It's just all-time highs.
Yeah, we got to figure out another solution to this rather than using Discord. Discord, for whatever reason, their like encryption must just be terrible for.
They're just cheap, aren't they? They just don't want to.
I think it has to do with how OBS is encrypting the feed from Discord. Do you see what I'm saying? Because we're having to pull like a video and audio from a separate application rather than directly from the PC itself. It's going through too many avenues to get to where it needs to go.
we couldn't just do Skype.
I guess we could now. I mean, I got the new PC and everything, so we can try a different way.
Yeah, it should be able to work.
I know Martin suggested at one point using vMix. I might have to take a look at it. If they have a free trial or something like that, I'll try it out, but it is a paid source. And I don't know how much it is. Like if it's crazy expensive. Porch Teams? Like Microsoft Teams?
Yeah, okay, that's actually an option as well. I've never used it.
I think Teams has a time limit though. Like you can only go for like 60 minutes or something like that. Dave's reloading this thing. You gotta reload the 6 shooters. Here we go.
I kind of still like this long. I don't really want to retake it again.
No.
But I do.
I mean, you do you, Nibs. Like... Don't let me talk.
I know. I mean, I had one crack at it. It came back down. It would have taken me out break even. At least I locked in something on it. But I think actually maybe it is option 3 that we just chop here.
Might be an Office 365. Yeah, we need to look into other avenues if we're going to continue to do the multi-guest streaming, because it's clear that Discord isn't the best option out there. It's just the easiest.
No long Nimkins. How about option 1? It goes down. It could do, Chase. It's just hard to think it will go down. All right, Wes, how deep a pullback do you want?
I want... I mean, ideally, I want like 460 to 480, somewhere in that area. That's really what I want. I just don't know how long it's going to take to get there.
That is ambitious.
I mean, higher time frame, that's the move that would make the most sense for a good long.
I mean, I'm just going to watch my long fly away that I wanted.
Use TeamSpeak from 2010.
Yeah, I used to love TeamSpeak. That was like, I can't remember, you had to pay for it, but like, we knew a guy who'd paid for it and he just let us use his server that we used to communicate on games from that era.
Safi, if you're here, I see your DMs. I don't have the ability to read. Let me find my phone. Give me a second, Nims.
Hey, Dave, Windows 95 was great. It was when, what was it, Windows XP came out. That thing was trash. Absolute trash. I'm sure you remember it. Oh, Vista. God, mate. These are bad times. My chart's just really blurry for everyone.
All right, we back.
So, me and Dave are talking about the golden age.
The golden age of
Windows 95.
Windows 95.
Yeah. What was it? My first PC game. It scared the crap out of me. Alone in the dark. I had to install it on 4 floppy disks.
Oh, Safi, you have a school license for Teams? If I ever need to use it. Oh, thanks, brother. Good looking out. We'll try and figure something out.
Yeah.
I mean, once the channel
don't do this.
Once the channel's making some money, we'll obviously invest in. We'll do a lot of upgrading. Let's put it that way.
Well, looks like that long was the play. Oh, I don't want to look at it. That's 660 long.
Yeah, you can't think like that, Nims.
No, I'm not thinking like that. Yeah, Chase. What are you saying now? You said no longs.
Morning, Rice. Welcome. For those of you just tuning in, my charts are in the upper left in the small window. These are Nimkins charts on the screen. We're having technical difficulties, so this is the view that we're going to get today.
Well, Dave, what do you do in this situation? You just press the green button.
Dave presses both.
Don't look for the level.
Dave just he slams both buttons. Yeah. I tuned into TBM's election stream late last night.
Was it good?
He was doing some drinking every time they either said Trump or Harris. So he.
Oh, he must have been smashed.
I don't know. I don't know if he made a stream this morning or not. Hopefully he's live streaming this morning.
I just got 10 points on long 724. Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying. So you just press the green button. Where's not seen him take a trade yet?
Nope, I haven't taken a trade yet. 30 reports, you're 30 trades in. What is going on?
I'm good.
I can't trade like that. I would have a heart attack. I legitimately would have a heart attack.
I'm not too sure about this new flavor from the gym.
Fortune favors the bold. I don't know about that, Dave.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I feel you can rechange that to the bold. The bold favors the whole. All right, let's have a think.
There's nothing to do.
How it's all shaped. No, there's nothing to do, but I'm just having a little think while there's nothing to do of analysis.
All right.
So what we've seen on
10. Okay. All right. 10 sounds a little more reasonable. Still gunslinging, but 10 sounds a lot better than 30.
Yeah. That's only one reload on Dave's 6-shooter. I've still got 2 bullets in the chamber.
Yeah. Yeah.
So since open and since 2 hours before open, we've respected this 650 kind of level.
Kind of level?
Well, we've respected 6. I mean, the bottom of the wicks and things here is 642.
Yeah, I think that's just a temporary bounce because of those wicks on the hourly that are sitting right there. I think it goes lower.
And you think, okay.
which is what I'm waiting for. And if it doesn't happen till this afternoon, it doesn't happen till this afternoon. But I'm on funded accounts now, so I'm not going to be slinging into positions.
I just got a notification, everyone. Texas Roadhouse shares up 4.5%. So thought I'd let you know.
So Nimkins, I know your psychology has been a little waning lately, right?
Yeah. Correct.
So tell me what happened to get you to the point where you were feeling like you needed to take a long break while we're in the middle of nowhere.
I think the reason for it was I was trading and spending a lot of time in front of the charts, but not in a productive way. I would be trading really, really clean, taking good trades.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'd move on to an XFA, and the P&L of the XFA would like weigh on me so heavily that I would just, I guess I get into like a small down position, and I mean like tiny down, and I wouldn't want to accept like having a negative on the XFA, and then I'd just start operating completely out of a trade plan in areas that I didn't want to operate in, and just go, God, if I just go and grab like 5-10 points here, then that's fine, and then I can be back positive. And I was just rushing everything, just chasing the P&L, and then I blew one XFA, and then I got into a bad sort of habits and state of mind, I think, with it. And the patience and everything had just gone from my trading. And it was becoming like highly emotional trading with no real plan or purpose or structure to it. So I kind of thought I need to take a break and then spend more time away from the charts, put more discipline back into my normal life and my normal routine, like go for runs every day, go to the gym every day, things that I was doing before, and then come back with a fresh mindset and clear rules to stick by. And I think it's helped. I've not looked at my P&L of my XFA, but I've been just having solid winning days since then. Mm-hmm. So I've just going to trade, do the best that I can, not look at what the account's standing at, just trade the best I can, and then if I don't see anything, close the chart, make sure I do all the other things that I want to do just for health wise, of going to the gym, going for a run, like going to the supermarket so the girlfriend doesn't shout at me, the standard stuff.
The stuff you should have been doing all along, correct?
Yeah, but I feel if you keep the discipline within your normal life, then it's easier to carry that over into your trading.
Yeah, well, so basically what you're telling me is you got emotional with your trading rather than...
Yeah, chasing P&L with my trading. I think I was forcing the goal of trying to be profitable by X date.
Yes.
And
you need to understand this is a long-term game. You want to be doing this for a long time. So the immediate gratification that you're seeking isn't always going to be there. There's not going to be that, not all of us are Chris where we're hitting $10,000 trades every day,
Yeah, why am I not Chris Wes?
He's put in the time. He's been where you are currently.
He has.
He's been where you are currently. The guy who drives a Ferrari is chasing the markets on micro is funny.
No, it's not that. It's the monetary amount doesn't matter. It was just the fact that I'd set a goal, and normally I find it very easy to achieve goals, and trading is obviously a lot harder than most other things that I've tried to accomplish in life.
Yeah.
And the frustration of not being able to do what you set to do weighs on you, and then the emotions creep in. Then you start to feel like a failure and don't want to trade and take time off, and it's a bad cycle that you can get into if you keep that mind state. Yeah, being profitable on micros and making my way just means that I can scale up in the future. But there's no point like trading minis if I can't keep consistency with micros.
I agree with that. I mean, sizing down is for the style that you want to trade. It's almost a necessity in the volatility right now. If you're wanting
Yeah,
to trade Nasdaq,
yeah. Because I can't. Let's say I trade from the boxes and I have a 20-point stop, which basically covers the kind of volatility that you have in Nasdaq and covers like a good invalidation point for your trade. Then what do you get? You lose 400, so you're losing 20% of your balance each loss, which is nuts.
I'm long, by the way.
Oh, of course you are.
I'm out.
I heard the little silence. Where did it get long? 710, 700?
No, it was more like 720, 725,
Oh, okay.
somewhere around there. I don't even know exactly.
It's a DJP entry.
Chase, I see your message there. Yeah, Apex. I'm not gonna trash any company anymore. We all know what my view on Apex is. I trust Top Step. I've never had any issues with payouts. I think it's more designed how you would normally trade. You know, it's geared towards that. Don't get me wrong. Every prop's going to have its little nuances or annoyances about it. But I think it's better than Apex. I mean, I'll just say it. At least for how I like to trade. It definitely is. Top Step, I trust them. I trust I'm going to get my money. I've never had any issues. You never hear them saying, hey, go film 2 full days of trading or denying payouts. I haven't seen anybody be denied a payout from Top Step. Ever.
And for example, if I was with Apex, I would be down 20 points on my account for taking my winning trade early.
Chase, you say it's more expensive. It's a little pricier. But in my mind, it's worth it. Like, you think about how many times you reset an Apex account. Okay, so you start an Apex account at a 50K. At discount, you're getting it sometimes for what, like $30, sometimes less. Your activation fee is $85 for a lifetime activation fee, so you're a little over $100 all in. A 50K with Top Step, you're $200 all in. However, you don't deal with intraday trailing drawdown. If you're not on a Top Step X platform, you're not dealing. You have a daily loss limit still, as well, so you can't blow the account in one day. I think it's. What is Ollie saying? I think it's a better option. Ollie's saying I messed up today, guys. Got impatient and paid. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, so Ollie,
I think he's blown an account.
Oh, and paid for it. Okay.
Yeah. I think he's blown an account.
I gotcha.
He might. I don't know. I mean, I don't think he can blow his Top Step one with the daily loss limit.
He's probably on Top Step.
Sure.
I don't know if he's on Quant Tower or Top Step X.
But his Apex account could have gone.
Honestly, that might be for the better.
Yeah. But I'm sorry, Ollie.
Yeah, Ollie, that sucks.
At least your Texas Roadhouse is up like 6%. So every cloud and all that.
What are we talking about here?
What are we talking about here? Alright, I'm trying to see the positives. Positives out of a bad day.
Oh my goodness, that's
the
not
silver
making
lining
it feel
of the
any
cloud.
better right now. But no, Chase, yeah, Top Step is king still in the prop firm industry. They're just.
See? Texas Roadhouse is my new favorite company. See, he's smiling now. He's thinking about Texas
Yeah, cheers, Chase. It's worth it. In my opinion, it's worth it. And you can't blow up positive. On Apex,
Yeah.
you can blow. You can still be up $4,000 on your account on those 150Ks and blow it, which is just absurd. An absurd rule. Yeah, we know you made $4,000, and we know you're still up $4,000 and have $4,000 in the account. But guess what? You fail and got to start all over. Sorry. Goodbye, $4,000.
Oh well, that 660 long's looking really good right now.
Yeah, you got to drop it onto the next, Nim.
No, I won't. I won't. I'll keep bringing it up, and I'll blame Chase for it.
Yeah, Rice, it's absurd. That's not the reality. Like, if you have money in your account, you should still be able to trade it. It shouldn't be just fail, oh, pay us more money and start all over again.
I mean, the Top Step account feels like the closest that you can get to having a proper account, like trading with props.
Yeah, I haven't looked into my fund of futures. It seems like their rules are somewhat in line with Top Step as far as payout policy and drawdown is concerned.
I saw their new milestone plan of like the 5 steps to live.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
It's straight to funded, and then I think you need to. The first step is like getting the balance to like 2K, and then each 2K profit you take puts you another step on, I guess, the milestone or the road, and then on your 5th payout they put you onto live.
40% consistency. That's not bad.
No.
I know Martin uses MFFU and he's gotten payouts from them as well. And hasn't really had any issues.
Wait 2 seconds.
What, you got to sneeze or something?
Sorry, my girlfriend's just been ordering. She got paid, and it's just then becomes like the doorbell goes every 2 minutes. From stuff that
she's a chronic shopper.
Yeah,
I
chronic returner as well. She rarely keeps anything, and she end up like giving me the returns. Oh, I'm at work. Can you do this return?
Oh my goodness, Dave! I think you spend more time. This is absurd. This is crazy.
The DJP pyramid scheme. No one's a winner.
It's just wild.
Your trade's looking pretty good, Wes.
Oh, well, I'm out of it, so it's all right.
Are you out?
Oh yeah, I'm out.
Oh, okay. What'd you take on it?
$200.
Oh, okay. All right. So, Dave, are you front running the IBH play, or is this the pyramid scheme currently? Is it in preparation to front run the IBH? You have pyramid schemes in America,
I mean,
right? They're illegal, but you have them, right?
Motivation. Oh, you closed at 41 on DJT? Oh, that's not. Yeah. Is it dumping right now?
Is it dumping?
I mean, let's face it. All these pumps are insane right now. We need a good pullback. we need a good profit-taking area.
No, it went up to 52, then came down to 30. God, what's it? I don't know what it's doing. I looked at some stats for the company because I saw the market cap of Donald Trump Media is now worth like 6.6 billion. All right, the revenue of the company was like 2 million, and it has 30 employees.
Yeah, yeah, they're probably all his family.
Yeah.
Okay, are we gonna run that 800? I mean, guys, if we get a break and retest hold of 800, I'm long into 21K.
Yeah, I'm targeting 22K after that point. And we'll get there, Wes, on stream.
22K. Yeah. that's gonna be your target, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Oh yeah, guys. So I was talking to Nimkins a little bit earlier. I'm sure you heard about the struggles that he was going through, and I've heard it from a few traders recently that have reached out and said, "Look, I'm really struggling right now. What's your advice?" Nimkins actually probably did the right thing by stepping away and mentally resetting. It was clear that something that he was doing wasn't working, so there's always that reevaluation period, and I always recommend doing it. I've noticed even Albu said he, when he's been struggling and not meeting his goals, that he steps away and takes some time and reevaluates. It is very important. Your mental game while doing this is one of the more important things, and you got to take care of that before you're ever going to be successful long term with trading. You might get lucky here and there a day or two, slinging contracts around. No offense, Dave. But long-term wise, it's not sustainable. So if you ever feel like you're angry at the markets or chasing, that's your sign to go do something else for a little bit and come back with a fresh mindset.
Yeah, because you can get so caught up of just the same repetitive patterns that you'll wake up at the same time, go and trade the markets, and you can kind of become blindsided to the same repetitive mistakes that you're making.
Oh, and the
markets, and then you come back.
The markets aren't the same every day. That's what I mean. That's part of what we enjoy about it. But it's not something that you can just, sleepwalk through. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
It's not a 9-to-5 office cubicle job where you go in, read your 100 emails in the morning.
I didn't mean that from the same for the markets, but I think that you can mentally get in a rut with like similar patterns that you're making, of like mistakes that you're making, and like taking some time off and away from the charts like actually helps you reset and regain some perspective on it.
Wow, our little talk here is losing viewers.
Nice. People don't want to hear this.
I know they don't. They just want the entertainment. They want the quick trading.
Yeah, people want to hear about your pest control subscription.
No.
All right, your invasion of house deer, which come and live with you if you didn't have it.
Chase is still here. Thanks, Chase. Hey, if you haven't yet, hit that thumbs up button. I know with the decline in viewership, it's probably not the right time to say it, but but yeah, hit that thumbs up button.
While we're waiting for this 800 to crack, what pest are you most afraid of invading your home?
Well, I don't fear any pest.
No, if you had to pick one, what would be the
Hey,
worst?
Palmetto, welcome. How's your day going? Tell me you got a banger.
Pest control's the first thing you hear. Yeah, I've got some. We talked through my fears of as a trader. I'm now talking through Wes's fears of pests. Okay. Yorkshire giant, that's made up, Mason. That is not a real thing. There are no Yorkshire giant child-eating spiders. Right?
I don't think that's some fairly large spiders in like Australia.
So, no, they do. Not in Yorkshire.
We've got some pretty big ones here too.
Okay. If they came and knocked on your door and they said they were doing their little annual, or what is it, quarterly checkup that you have, and they said, "Mr. Emeraldgate, I'm really sorry, but we have an infestation of What would be the worst?
I don't
Hornets?
even know. I don't have to deal with it
Hornet
because I have a pest control subscription. So they don't say anything. They knock on my door. They say we're here. We're doing our treatment. And
They
go and
don't
do
tell
their
you
thing.
like, oh, this is what we got rid of. They're gonna say, oh,
No.
so we got rid of this hornet's nest. You need to be like careful. We need to up your premium because of this.
I mean, they take care of all that. They don't need to tell me anything.
So there's nothing.
When you sign up for the subscription, they have this pamphlet of all the different bugs that they treat for, right?
Okay.
And they go,
Wait, so you could be not wait. So technically, you might not be able to claim from them because the bug might be new and not included in the pamphlet.
the bug might be new. What are we talking about here?
You've
got weird new alien bugs over there in
They're
England?
weird, but they might only cover certain things. They'd be like, oh, we don't cover this breed of hornet, or don't cover.
No. Hornets are hornets.
don't
What do you mean?
I don't know. It could be some fucked up hornets that they're up into. We're not dealing with this kind of hornet, sir. You're on your own. It's not in the pamphlet.
Yeah, Dave, tell him. Pest control is living like a civil person. No pest control is just
No,
caveman. Tell him, Dave.
No. I'm sure Dave just takes his gun out and shoots the pests one by one.
I tell you this much. You ever live with a girlfriend that's scared of every bug or anything like that, and you hear random screams of death coming from now and then? You will invest in that pest subscription. I guarantee.
No, I have that already.
It is worth avoiding the jump scare and the heart attack.
I get the scream and think there's a home invasion, and then there's like a tiny spider like this big. Like my girlfriend's just screaming at it.
and screams of death, not just like any random scream, like screams of death, like they are dying.
yeah, the daddy long legs as well. That's a big fear of hers. You have daddy long legs?
Of course we do, and those are the most
I don't know if you
harmless
had
spiders.
I don't know if you had a different name for it. Okay, they are kind of a bit spooky. I don't like them. I don't like the way they move.
Nah, they eat other bugs, man. Like, they're fine. They're harmless.
All right. I mean, the screams aren't harmless if they arrive.
No, the screams are harmless.
You have to get rid of them. So, are you afraid of any animal? Not talking about pests, just in general animals, like snakes. You like snakes?
I'm not scared of them per se, because I know which ones are poisonous and which ones aren't. If there's a poisonous one that's coiling up to come bite me, yeah, I mean, I have a little hesitation about approaching anywhere near it.
Okay, yeah, Palmer, bears? Scared of bears?
Bears? What's the saying? Brown get down? Okay.
Black say a prayer? No, is it the black bears which are?
Which one?
I don't know.
Which ones are more prone?
Just like grizzlies, you're just effed either way, aren't you? You just pray.
Oh, I mean, those bears are massive. Grizzlies are massive.
Yeah. It's not like you're gonna outrun it. Or you can't climb up a tree.
Black fight back, brown lay down. Okay,
so brown lay down and accept your death, which is the grizzlies.
Yeah, so it doesn't like rip your guts out.
Oh, it will do it anyway. Yeah.
Do we push through 800 here? Chase, that's what I'm watching. I want to see a break and retest, and at that point, I will just be long and strong. It's also
brown bear, you're done.
It's also a good short spot if you get a wick and reclaim below and hold below. So it's a decision point here at 800. I mean, Dave's just out here straight slinging.
What is it? Is he doing another pyramid scheme?
No, he's out now, I think.
Oh, he's just saying that it wasn't a pyramid scheme and it was a legitimate business. No.
If it's a bear, F and run.
Yeah, I agree. We don't have poisonous snakes. I came across a grass snake once on a photo shoot, and I refused to get out of the car. I just sat in the car and was like, I'm not getting out. Just not doing it.
I mean, wildlife doesn't fear me. I mean, don't get me wrong. I come up on a lion or something like that that's eyeing me.
Wildlife doesn't
you know,
fear
I'm
me.
probably not comfortable.
What are these statements?
Martin, 32 trades? Holy. We got some slingers in the chat. I'm not gonna lie, this community's got some slingers. Yeah, Palmetto, I'm seeing lower. Palmetto, I know we talked about this earlier. I wanted something deeper. The straight rip is gonna be so hard to get on board with.
I think we're gonna slow grind up. There we go. It's gone.
You say, I think we're going to slow grind up, and it pumps 20 points right.
That's it. That's the slow grind. It's a volatile slow grind.
Okay.
All right? Yeah. Dave's gonna wait for Dave to come in to say he front ran that IDH in a second. Give it 10 seconds.
Yeah, there's a pretty big good.
Okay, Albu says turbo time. So if Albu says turbo time, we know where we're going. We're going to 21k.
I know. I'm almost half tempted. I want it to pull back to 800 and hold. I come up here, tap this order at like 825, I think it is.
What, and come back to... I might put a starter on. Oh, that doesn't look great, does it?
Yeah, Chase, it's going to be hard for me to... well, it's no pun intended. It's going to be hard to chase the top up here. Chase.
I'm attempting. Alright, I am long. 806.
Yeah, Chase, don't chase. You're long what? 806?
Yeah. I'm thinking it's a bit ambitious now. I'm thinking about killing it early.
No, if you're in a micro, hang in there.
Alright, so below 780. We'll see what it does. Yeah. Same Nima, same exact entry. All right, so we can get rich or get wrecked together, Palm. I mean, it needs to hold 90 for sure.
Yeah, you're cooked.
We're cooked. Yeah, I feel that way. Now that it's rejecting 800.
Yeah, 5 minute. That topside wick's not looking real great right now.
Nah.
See how see what it does here in the last 20 seconds of this candle.
But yeah, this constant 800. Okay.
Where's the Fletcher 1033 longs? Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like. Give it another go at it.
I'm trying to be patient here.
You're not long yet?
No, not yet. I kind of want to see
I
780.
don't really
If
want
we
to
hold
see.
780, that's when I'll probably punch it.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Don't give him 780. Just go. We don't need to let him in. All right, rejecting off my entry point's always a good sign. Love to see that.
Oh, we're starting to see some buying.
Yeah. Problem was the greedy entry. I gave it at yeah, it just wasn't the best entry.
I think you're
I feel a
fine.
lot. I know. I think I'm fine, but I wish I had an entry lower, so like my invalidation point could have given it more room below 780. But we're currently rejecting IBH, which is my entry, which is not good.
Yeah, my IB range is messed up.
Yeah,
I don't know what's going on here. It's
I'm out.
yeah, let's just see if we can reclaim 780 here.
And it's holding up.
Yeah,
Kind of.
I'm just seeing those big
Tricky,
blocks
though.
lower at like 750, a little below 740, and those are kind of scaring me a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just so overextended from last night to the upside. Like, it's just so hard to buy tops.
Yeah, that's the problem. I wish I'd stuck with my gut and the 660 long. It would have never stopped me out as well. I could have, and I put in my trading plan that I need to let trades breathe today, and I just didn't. And then I also put in my trading plan that I'd want to wait for a pullback. And I don't know if a 10-point pullback to the top of the range to IBH counts as a pullback. So it was not good for me.
Miss Rabba. Nim's not only on audio, the door is fully open today.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a new system. You actually have to be led into the room. You have to be taken out of the holding cell and like led into the room.
Yeah, yeah. There is.
Yeah, and then you don't get permission to speak in the room until someone grants it to you.
We put a security fence up.
Yeah. Yeah, tenor. It's tricky. It's tricky.
Did he have to stand on one foot? That's funny. All right, let's see what happens here at this like 740 to 750 area.
With this, where all these blocks are.
Yeah. Biggest one being at like 745. And then there's another one below at 735.
Mm-hmm.
I don't mind the I mean, we've basically just been stair-stepping levels all the way up, so I don't mind this pullback into like 730 for the long attempt. 730 or 710 even.
Yeah, the overnight high, long 730 could be nice.
worth a shot.
Full transparency, guys. I am on a sim account. I traded my XFA this morning. I don't have a combine to trade.
All right, that got to 35 and bounced. Let's see.
Yeah, it got to overnight highs. It perfectly bounced.
Come on down.
Well, thank goodness that you made that clear, Mims. Yeah, I mean, it does say sim at the top of the screen. Oh, no, I don't think you can see the top screen. Yeah, I took a long this morning from 600 on my XFA, and then yeah, I thought I'd call it there on the XFA and like lock in like a winning day before the stream.
Chase, did I see the Dodgers? Yeah, I saw they won. I'm glad they won. I'm not a Yankees fan.
Wait, is the Dodgers a baseball thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's just
I'm sure the parade was a good time.
It's a fast food restaurant with entertainment. It's baseball games.
I mean, it's hard for me to watch it when it's on television. It's a rough sport to watch. But if you're at the game, it's a good time.
Just because you get to eat and drink.
Rabbo, yeah, I saw your post last night. Yeah, I did see that.
Wait, the Lions are working at a Korean restaurant now?
No. Man, the water's going right through me today.
Oh god, you need another piss break.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you have got the bladder of someone who's 1,000 years old.
I am 1,000 years old.
Yeah.
No, I think it's just because I haven't eaten anything yet too. All I have is I've had a cup of coffee and, well, this is my second bottle of water.
Bottle of water?
There it is. You know there's teas in bottle, right?
Huh? Aluminium?
Yeah.
Wait, how do you say aluminium?
Aluminum. Why are you laughing? That's how the rest of the world says it, Nims.
It's not how the rest of the world says
That
it.
is. Go ahead and Google it.
Not.
Google the word. Yeah.
No, I won't do it. I won't do it.
Go
I don't need to
ahead and
myself,
Google
right? I don't want to shame you.
You're the one who's going to be shamed when you find
No,
out that
it
only is the UK that uses it. That says it that way. Go
Chase,
ahead.
pipe down. Chase, pipe down. Okay? Don't support him. Don't support him. All right. None of this. Are you thinking about this long, or do you need your piss?
I tell you what I'll do. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do something a little different today.
What are we gonna do?
We are going to.
We're gonna let the chat decide where we go long.
We're going to.
Chase says short.
Buy 720. We're gonna put a stop in.
You're putting a limit order.
Yep.
Alright.
Go just below 710. That way, I'm only risking $200, and we will.
Alright, go piss.
Target new highs. All right, I'll be back. I'm sure I'll
All
not
right.
be filled.
Alright, chat. Do I go long? And if I go long, what level? $750 golden level Nims buy. It could be a golden level. That's right. So you're saying buy point of control. Alright, Mason. it was about to push up, I was going to go for it. Shorts look better to me, but you never know. Yeah, I don't really know. I mean, I kind of want a long from where I took my long from, down here. Option number 2, front run Wes by 1 point and hope I get filled and he doesn't. Selling is slow, and I wouldn't like it if I was in position. Yeah. I have no idea. Nothing looks like, oh my god, I can't wait to take that trade. It's just more like hopeful. All right, let's try it.
All right, I'm back. See, we haven't.
All right, I'm long 750 because Mason said it's a golden level. So
Okay.
I have to take it.
I mean,
Come
you're
on.
up. You're up on it right now.
Oh, I'm positive, yeah. I'm up like 10 points. Now I'm not.
I still want lower myself.
Mason, this golden level better pay after you chanting 750, 750, 750 in the chat.
So,
don't make me reset my unlimited Sierra chart sim account.
I mean, I think you could get 780 out of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm targeting, just below 790.
There's a
But
high
we're
volume.
just at point of control.
There's a high volume right there at 750.
Yeah, it's point of control. Didn't expect you to take it. Well, you will live with the consequences now, Mason. And you know what? If it's a winning trade, I'm not giving you credit.
Mason, I have point of control at 680. Yeah, I have. It hasn't flipped up for me yet.
Mine, you can see the yellow line where mine is. Okay, let's get the push.
Add another, he says.
No. Alright.
I'd probably go to break even at this point if it was me, where that's located.
Yeah, there's break even.
Yeah. Yeah. Good call on the break even.
Yeah, yeah. I heard a voice in my head telling me to do it. And I thought,
Yeah.
yeah, on it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Is it going to get me in?
You missed. I did give the option to chat to front run you by a point and hope that I got in and that you didn't. But it still wouldn't have got me in either. That was cash. What was cash the short?
All right. It's coming up on my entry.
Do you still like it?
I have a stop at like just over 10 points, so I'm fine with it. But yeah, I like a bounce. Oh no, you're not going to do this to me.
Yep. It's just going to miss you, not get you in. You're going to cry about it.
All right, I'm long.
All right. Looking good. Are you going break even?
Yep. I've already locked in profit.
Nice.
Get up, and I'm out.
Nice.
All right.
Good trade.
Thanks. Thanks. That was $200 more. Hyper scalping.
You know what? All right. If it was your charts on the main screen, we would have gone down to 580.
Just rifled right through it.
Yeah.
You're probably right. You're probably right. Mason's over here like freaking out because none of my charts are, or none of my trades are visible.
No. I was short and got out. Of course you were, Dave. Are you long now? Was it a short or was it a pyramid scheme short?
Bear flag on 2 minute, Chase is saying. Yeah, I'm on the 2 minute. I see the 2 minute over here. Yeah.
No, I only grabbed 10 points on the short. I was away from my desk and missed the initial down move. All right, Dave, so...
I kind of feel like Dave today with my trades. Getting 10 points here and there.
Dave, so how does the pyramid scheme works? So it's like one of the micros like the leader micro, and then you add in like the worker bees, like which are the other micros? Just trying to see. This is normally how a pyramid scheme works. You start in at like the low level, they call you like the worker bee, and then you like you sell and work your way up the pyramid.
Oh, is this?
And once you've employed 5 other worker bees, then you get moved up to like a general bee.
The market could puke on itself here.
You reckon? I'm gonna go.
I kind of want it to puke on itself. I want to pull back.
Yeah, I know you do. I know you want your 460 long.
Yeah, I kind of want the puke. If we come back up to 730 and reject, I might try the short. And like a hole below 730.
Okay. I kind of want the 660 long, which would be a VWAP long at this point.
Below 700, I'm not looking for longs until the bottom.
That is the bottom. I'm calling the bottom now.
Oh, okay.
yeah. Just letting you know, that's the bottom.
I don't think that's the bottom.
All right. While we wait, so Wes is a man who's afraid of no animals.
I mean, I don't fear any animal.
Like giant F off like tarantula, like running around your room. You scared?
Nope.
Rattlesnake in your bed. Scared?
Not scared. I'm killing it though.
One of the Australian snakes underneath the toilet.
I live in America. I don't have to worry about that.
You could travel.
I mean,
Wait, do you travel outside America a lot?
I don't even. No, I really haven't. I mean, I studied abroad in Germany for a summer in high school, but
Okay, whereabouts?
I've been to Canada. I saw a Radiohead just north of Toronto in Barrie, Ontario. I've been to Cancun, Mexico. And that's really the extent of my abroad traveling.
Did you go Cancun, or you did the resort Cancun?
I mean, resort Cancun. It was a high school.
Yeah, that's what I
break.
did too. Yeah, that's what I did. I did resort Cancun.
I mean, there are areas of Cancun that you really don't want to be visiting. Yeah, let's put it that way. You kind of want to stay in the resort area.
Have you seen the video of like the two sweet like gay couple who like were just driving and exploring, and they drove into like a drug plantation? And they're, like,
yeah, no thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, no thanks. Big no thank you.
So no other Europe, just Germany?
Yeah, just Germany, really. I mean, we went when we were over there. We went into Luxembourg, but you know, Luxembourg's like the size of I don't know.
The world's most boring city. It's described as Luxembourg. No one lives there. They've just got an address there as a tax haven.
They're their own country.
Yeah, no, I know they're their own country. Yeah, Luxembourg, and then what's the other little one? San Marino.
Is that a country as well?
Yeah, they have a football team which just won for the first time, I think, in 22 years.
Like won a game for the first time?
Won a game, yeah. Won a game for the first time in 22 years, yeah. They've got a hardcore group of fans which go to every game, and I think their name translates from Italian to English to the Never Ending Joy Brigade.
Never Ending Joy Brigade. Is that what you just said?
Yeah. That's what they call themselves.
Oh, here comes Dave with his travel. Here we go.
Oh,
here we go.
Yeah. Want to let us know about your hole-in-one there as well, Dave, while you're at it?
Mega static. What was the audio staticky? Is that what was going on, Palm?
France, Portugal, Mexico, Turks, Cayos, Cayman Islands, Belgium, Netherlands. I've been to pretty much all of these places. I haven't been to.
Yeah, it's because he's on that. He's on that gaming headset nonsense. He needs to get a real mic. Like,
is my mic still bad?
I'm telling you, those gaming headsets are awful for audio.
All right,
they are.
Okay.
They are awful.
Is it still bad? Let me know.
No, Palm. It's the gaming headset. The gaming headsets are terrible.
No, Wes messed up his OBS settings earlier.
Is that how you're gonna blame it on my OBS settings?
Yeah.
It's funny how my audio is not being staticky.
Funny how you can't show your charts anymore.
My charts are showing. Upper left.
So you got any plans to travel outside the US coming up?
I mean, yeah, I gotta come see all the UK subscribers at some point, right?
Yeah.
I gotta go to Mason's family farm and pet the goats.
Oh my God! Don't do that. You won't come back.
But no, I want to travel at some point. I just haven't had like, I don't know a whole lot of people. But prior to like the whole Discord trading community thing, I haven't known a whole lot of people that lived abroad. So I really haven't had a reason to go, other than if I was going to go by myself or take a girlfriend. Come to Cyprus?
Yeah. Oh, it's Andrew. Yeah.
Cyprus looks beautiful.
Cyprus is really nice. It is a popular holiday destination for English people.
24/7 sun. Yeah, I mean, we got that here in America too. It's called Los Angeles or San Diego.
Yeah, but it's the resident home of FUNQ.
No, legitimately, San Diego, Los Angeles area is weather-wise. I don't know that you're going to have better weather nearly anywhere in the world.
I mean, I like that my my girlfriend's family, they complain about the weather, like, oh, it's very hot today, it's very cold. They live on the equator and it's the exact same weather every day. Like, it never changes.
Yeah.
And I'll just see a family WhatsApp group of all the aunts like complaining about the weather.
It's kind of like, well, San Diego's kind of that way. San Diego's like between 70 and 90 degrees, no humidity, sun all the time.
Okay.
All year round. That's Fahrenheit. That's Fahrenheit.
Yeah. No, they're in Kuala Lumpur. I think it's like 28 degrees just permanently in Celsius.
Nims, what are you up on the session?
I'm on the sim account. I'm down $25 because of that terrible entry at IBH, and I gave it too much wiggle room.
Are you? What are you taking now? What are you looking at? You're 50 long? Is that what you're saying?
660, something around there. Value low, VWAP. You don't like it? Just because you want lower. You just want me to get wrecked so you get lower.
You gonna buy VWAP? You go right ahead.
Look, it was a level. VWAP came. Look at VWAP. It came up to my level. Okay.
Oh, Dave Short, of course.
Oh, okay. Oh, God. How many reloads you had on the 6 shooters today? Seems like a lot.
What time is it? Oh man, I didn't realize we've been on for.
Well, how long have we been on for?
Like
an hour and a half?
Yeah, a little over.
Okay. I mean, we could be waiting ages.
He lives in America, unlimited ammo. It's true. It's true.
Can you just go to like a local store and pick up ammo?
Yeah.
Okay. Does Walmart sell ammo?
Nimkins, we have what we call armories, all right, that you can walk into.
No. I know you have specialized stores, but I'm just saying, hey, I'm just going to go and pop to the shops. Need to get some milk, some bread, and some 9mm rounds.
Walmart will take care of all those needs. Walmart will literally take care of all those needs. One-stop shop.
Alabama has ammo vending machines. Jesus. Is that right? Is it 50 cents a bullet?
That I don't know. I'm pretty sure ammo is more expensive than that right now.
Because the UK, I think the black market gun scene that they can get guns by getting like the replicas and converting them, but getting ammo is really difficult.
For a while, getting ammo was difficult here because there was a lot of like talk of trying to take away our gun right, our ownership of guns rights.
How dare they?
So people just started stocking up
Oh, and you got a shortage from just people
Yeah.
panic buying,
Yeah.
like our toilet paper shortage that we had during COVID. Did you have one of those?
We had a shortage of everything. You should have seen our grocery stores during COVID when it first happened because ships couldn't bring in their cargo. So we had a shortage on everything for a while.
We just had people like just stockpiling it and selling it online at like £20 a roll of toilet roll.
Well, did the UK close down their ports for a period of time?
Don't think so, no.
Oh, we closed down all our ports for a period of time.
And then we had like the complaints of why didn't you shut down the ports?
What guns? Lost yours in a boating accident.
You thinking about anything?
Not
Not in general, a trade. Not, I didn't want to know just like, hey, Wes, what you thinking about?
No.
So,
700 is the new 20,700 is the new cockroach motel.
yeah, it looks that way. I thought we'd go flying.
We did. We did go
Pretty much
flying.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
No, I just meant after open.
Just pull up your hourly chart. We went flying.
Nah, I don't see any flying going on here. Just have to try and adjust it to fit in the chart.
Yeah, I mean that's flying.
Yeah. What happened here on this wick? I'm assuming this was like Harris winning a state somewhere, and then thinking that she might have a chance of winning this wick.
There was no shot. It was over pretty early.
Okay.
There was no shot.
I thought it was going to be close.
No, she made a lot of like campaigning mistakes. Where she would be in one interview one day, say one thing, and then be in another interview the next day and say the complete opposite thing. Like basically getting caught in lies is what was happening throughout her whole campaign. So there was just no shot.
It's like Dave flip-flopping from short to long, but in a campaign. Has she spoken yet? Has she conceded?
There's no concede. Trump won. She doesn't need to concede.
Yeah,
anymore.
but I mean, I heard that she wasn't speaking to anyone. That she was just like, no, I'm not talking to anyone.
No, she's probably all up in her. She's probably all up in her feelings right now. No, people were just. It was going to be the same thing as like the Biden administration. You know, it was basically going to be a carryover. She really didn't do anything to separate herself as a true presidential candidate while she was vice president. So, like, I mean,
yeah,
people want something different.
People just WhatsApping her hug emojis. Hope you're okay. Well, this isn't exciting here. Where's the excitement, Wes?
I don't know. Honestly, I'm probably going to end the stream here shortly so I can go eat something.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing going on. I mean,
No.
I'm up a decent amount on my SFA, so I probably.
Yeah, Palmetto, that's right. Yeah, it was crazy watching everything play out the way that it did over the past like 6 months. It was just absurd. Absolutely absurd.
Yeah, there's nothing going on. I mean, I'll keep an eye on the charts for the rest of the day, but I don't really want to operate in this zone.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be hanging out in Discord in the voice chat here in a little bit. I am going to step away from the charts though because I'm starting to feel like I want to punch along, and that is not the play right now. So,
No.
So, Nims, you got anything to say to the chat before we end the stream?
No, thanks for having me on and putting up with my charts for the day. Thank you as well to you, Wesley, for having me on.
Yeah, of course.
And try not to get chopped up, everyone, today.
Well said.
It's not pretty. Yeah.
Well said. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in today. We're gonna try to sort out the. That's what else I gotta do, Nims. Is I gotta sort out all the technical difficulties backside as well.
Give Mason a bit of a beating.
Yeah, give Mason a bit of a beating. It wasn't Mason's fault.
That's all right. Just get the belt out.
I don't know what happened. We're gonna figure it out though. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. Stay patient. And I will see you all tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Friday we do have trading with the boys. So once again, you will see Nimkins' lovely face, and you will see Dave.
I feel like I've been on permanently.
You will see Dave and Palmetto. Cheers, guys. Peace.